And then, suddenly, when you're about 40 or 45 years old in the middle of life, you wake up one day and say,
Turned for like it was wrong, but I kept going to show I was strong. Pushing.
You don't have to join. You don't have to join. You don't have to play the game. A society which is insane and unsure of itself cannot allow that to happen. It says everybody must join. Everybody must work. Everybody must belong. And then freedom disappears.
Staying dry throughout the day, plenty of sunshine, really hot this afternoon, even though we don't have the really intense humidity. The heat alone is going to be enough this afternoon with those temperatures in the mid to upper 90s. Once we start off Saturday, we're still dry, plenty of sunshine.
I was breathless, my heart restless. Every turn felt like it was wrong, but I kept going to show I was strong. Pushing to my own song, but you came, you made me see the weight I put on me was too much, too tough.
Figure out some way in which you get paid for playing.